Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino has visited Mama Ida Odinga to comfort her over Raila Odinga's demise. The lawmaker visited Raila's home in Bondo earlier today and presented Mama Ida with gifts including a new Bible and 4 bowls. Babu also took a moment to honor his departed party leader in Menta Raila by standing at his grave at Kango Kajaramogi. The visit comes as a surprise considering that Babu has been, for the larger part, shoved out of ODM affairs, with ODM insiders viewing him as among those rocking the boat from within. Speaking during the ODM at 20 celebrations, Babu expressed fears that he might never get an opportunity to address an ODM gathering.
Kwa hivyo mfikirie hiyo youth leader na kuheshimu, lakini hapo mbele hata Babu ametosha party leader.
Aya.
Tunasema ni Babu kwa sababu kama kuna tabu ana jawabu la ajabu kwa adabu.
Asante.
Bila Babu tabu.
Asante. Aya. ODM oye!
Babu has been at loggerheads with the party even before the demise of Raila Odinga, at one time claiming that Raila and the Orange Party preferred Johnson Sakaja over him in the Nairobi gubernatorial race. Elvis Omondi, Truth FM News Point.